Done.
What if I told you that I love you?
Hey guys,
Would you tell me that you love me?
hello. So we are going to be pranking out. Hey guys, what's pumping? So we are going to be pranking our big brother, great boy.
Yeah.
So
today we'll be pranking him about our pet monkey
boy,
like
you already know him.
like we'll be pranking him that we'll call him, like I'll call him, right?
Yeah.
So we'll tell him that our pet monkey is dead and everything, that he was sick, so he's not around. He's not been around for like
Right now
1 week.
I'm going to his place in Chevron.
Yeah, she's going.
So that is where I'll be taking his reaction.
Yeah.
She's going to call him from right here in Aja. So we are going to see his reaction, if he really loves the boy or not.
Yeah, if he really loves his pet monkey.
So guys, I just got there, you know, to prank my brother.
Love you. Yeah. What if I told you that I love you? Yeah. What if I told you that I need you? Would you tell me that you need me too? What if I told you that I love you? Hey, when you told me that you love me, was I a fool to believe in you? When you told me I was special.
Is the pepper not too small? Did buy fish? You know buy fish. You and this your crayfish. Igbo man.
I'll send you 2,000 now. Anyone?
God, I know they sell
Or buy meat for 1,000 naira. Now meat now, boom. Now meat is what that day. Actually, what can you buy?
Need to be good.
Meat for 1,000 naira.
What happened back to that?
For you? Snap it and set to your WhatsApp.
What happened?
Boys,
Yee.
what you do?
Ah. It's a prank. It's a prank. Boy is not dead.
What good does it?
So guys, make sure you like our video, subscribe, comment, and please turn on the post notification. We love you. Bye.